Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Stories, your place to learn English through emotional and meaningful stories. Today, we will practice English listening and speaking with a heart-touching story. This story will help you improve your English naturally. I will read the story one sentence at a time. Please listen carefully. Pause the audio after each sentence. Repeat after me clearly and calmly. Do not worry about mistakes. Just listen and repeat. This simple shadowing technique will help your English become more confident, smooth, and natural. Are you ready? Let us begin today's story. My name is Amaya Miller, and this is the story of how one small decision changed my life forever and taught me the true meaning of love. I am a poor girl. I live day by day, never knowing what tomorrow will bring. Some days I eat nothing at all. Some nights I sleep on the street. I have no parents. I have no family. I have no one who waits for me or cares for me. Life is heavy, that I keep walking forward. One ordinary morning, everything begins to change. I am walking slowly down a busy street. People rush past me without looking. No one sees me. Suddenly, a young man runs by. He looks nervous and distracted. His name is James Anderson. He is wearing a blue jacket and checking his phone. As he passes me, something falls from his pocket. I hear a small sound. I look down. On the ground, I see a small black box. I pick it up carefully. I open it. Inside is a diamond ring. The ring is shining. It is beautiful. It looks very expensive. My heart starts beating fast. This ring could change my life. I could sell it. I could buy food. I could find a warm place to sleep. But I close the box slowly. This ring is not mine. Someone must be looking for it. I decide to return it. I start running after the man. I push through the crowd. I look everywhere. For a moment, I lose hope. Then I see him again. He is sitting alone on a bench near a bank. His head is down. He looks broken and sad. I walk toward him. I take a deep breath and say, "Excuse me, sir. I believe this belongs to you." I hold out the box. He looks at it. His face changes. His eyes fill with anger and pain. "I don't want it," he says coldly. "You can keep it, or throw it away." I shake my head. "I can't do that. This ring is valuable." He laughs bitterly. "I bought it for my girlfriend," he says. "I proposed today. She rejected me in front of everyone. My heart feels heavy." He continues, "She chose someone richer, someone powerful, my boss." I look at him quietly. "I understand rejection," I say softly. "People reject me every day." He looks up at me for the first time. "I'm sorry," he says. "I didn't think about that." I place the ring back into his hand. "Please don't give up," I say. "If I can keep fighting, you can too." I turn to leave. "Wait," he says. "Please, let me buy you lunch." He takes me to a restaurant I have never seen before. The place is warm and beautiful. Everything smells amazing. People stare at me. My clothes are old and worn, but James doesn't seem to care. He orders food for both of us. When the food arrives, I can't stop eating. I am so hungry. James smiles gently. "You can take more with you," he says. No one has ever been this kind to me. Something changes inside my heart. Later, he offers to buy me clean clothes. I hesitate, but he insists. That evening, he tells me about his girlfriend and the dinner she plans with his boss. An idea comes to my mind. "Let's go there too," I say. "I can pretend to be your girlfriend." He looks surprised, but then he smiles. That night, feeling unreal, At the restaurant, his ex-girlfriend sees us. Her face turns pale. James holds my hand. We laugh. We dance. For the first time in my life, I feel seen. But happiness is fragile. The boss tries to buy me with money. I refuse. He grabs my arm. Before I can scream, James steps in. He protects me. He loses his job, but he doesn't hesitate. I found something more important, he says. Outside, under the quiet night sky, James looks at me. Amaya, he says softly, I didn't expect today to change my life, but you did. He takes out the ring again. This ring belongs to you, not because it is expensive, but because you are honest, brave, and kind. He kneels down. Will you marry me? Tears fall from my eyes. Yes, I whisper. Yes, I will. He places the ring on my finger. At that moment, I understand something very important. It was never about money. It was never about the ring. Real love begins with a pure heart. And that is how a poor girl and a broken man found a new life together. Now it is your turn. Go back to the story. Listen carefully. Pause after each sentence. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Your English will improve. Your confidence will grow. Thank you for learning with Daily English Stories. See you again in the next lesson.